Let me take my time and clear this. I was in the election petition. My boss is one of Uzodinma's lawyers. And the honest truth that in this assessment, I'll be as objective as possible. Hope in his prayers, in his petition, was not contesting that Emeka got so votes in the election. All he said is that there were places where there were irregularities, and his polling agents and local government coalition agents, these were what their own from EC8A and EC8B is. From EC8A and from EC8B are polling unit result sheets and local government coalition result sheets. Those are what they call from EC8A and B. That this is what the agents brought for him. And by what his agents brought for him, that he's meant to have 336,000 or 300 and something thousand votes. But how come he's having 90 something thousand? We subpoenaed the police, and a deputy commissioner of police came and testified. And his own evidence corroborated what the senator was saying, Senator Uzodinma was saying. Now, we wrote INEC severally during the petition that INEC should give us certified true copies of from EC8A and B, and also from EC8C, which is federal election results, federal constituency result, and then the final announcement of the result from EC8D thereabout. But INEC did not oblige us. In their own defense now, INEC did not submit the original copy of the results in the gubernatorial election. And the Supreme Court has said that where INEC has failed to submit the original copy of a result in an election, that the police who takes the first duplicate copy, which can be considered to be as clear as the original, can be used in determining who won an election. And INEC failed in Emeka Ihedioha's petition to submit the original copy. For reasons best known to them, who knows, the original copy, their own INEC result sheet might be the same thing with what Senator Uzodinma was claiming. So all the Supreme Court did was to say, okay, Hope has proved this, and this. Add those 200 and something thousand votes to his 90 something thousand votes. And that was how Hope came to 330 something thousand votes. And that was why the Supreme Court declared him winner. It's as crystal clear as that. Yes, I won't deny the fact that obviously there were a lot of politics in it. It's an election petition. It's a gubernatorial election, just reported. But looking intricately from this side, legal aspect, yes, there must be some irregularities. But Emeka failed in his own way to enter a proper defense to his petition. So leave sympathy votes. Most of you people are PDP people. Be objective about this thing. From the side of the law, look at it. Emeka failed to give sufficient defense to his petition. It's as simple as that.